Hello everyone, welcome to RBI interview and fact series, and as a part of today's video we are going to see that why RBI is called as a monetary authority. So there are different reasons behind it. For example, the first reason is that RBI controls over money supply. We know that RBI uses different types of tools or instruments, for example open market operations, cash reserve ratio, SLR, in order to control money supply in the economy, and that is why it is called what? It is called as the monetary authority. Apart from that, RBI also regulates interest rates using different kind of mechanisms like repo rate, reverse repo rate, which basically influence the borrowing, lending and overall economic activity as a part of the financial system. The third reason is regarding ensuring price stability, which is nothing but inflation. RBI's one of the important role is basically to maintain the inflation within the target range as decided by the government, which is also a very important function. The fourth is that basically RBI plays very important role regarding the management of currency. It issues the currency notes in the economy and makes sure that the currency is managed and it is circulated in the fair and transparent manner. The last, or I would say one of the most important points, is related to maintenance of financial stability. RBI monitors and regulates the different banks and different financial systems and makes sure that there is confidence in the economy, so that basically the banks, the financial system can run in a smooth manner. RBI performs different type of actions, for example capital infusion. It makes sure that there is transparency, fairness and the consumer rights are protected, and that is the reason. Because of this multiple types of reasons, basically RBI is called as a monetary authority. I hope it is clear to you. Do let me know in the comment box whether it was helpful for you or not. So thank you so much and all the best.